Hi there, this is our Frama combination folder. It's got the straight folder function and also the box pen fingers that can go in it. Basically, I haven't tried them in it, but I imagine what happens is you would adjust these two adjustments here, open the gap up. It's got springs that support this here. You would adjust them down, fit the fingers and use that like that. It's a New Zealand design, very robust, pneumatically operated. It's got one piston here that operates the clamping. The clamping comes up, that beam comes up for clamping. It's got springs here, one spring there and one spring there that help take the weight of this, and that one pneumatic ram that operates and does the clamping. And then you've got two pneumatic rams, one here and one the other end, that operate the bottom arm here for the bending itself. It's got a couple of features on it. One, this is the pneumatic control, and then it's got another wee pneumatic switch here, which this piston hits and activates the arm once it's clamped. And then you've got another wee valve here that would have been mounted on the side here, and with the intention of being able to get it to stop part way up when that arm's folding, so you can do your different degrees. You can adjust how quickly or slowly the pneumatics work on these rams in regards to the bending. And it's got lots of different torsion bars set up there to set it up. So yeah, it's pneumatically operated. It's got the two adjustments here for bringing this top backwards, for putting those fingers on, your counterweights, etc. It's got a couple of faults with it. I've just gone and tried to bend up some steel and some 1.6, and it wasn't clamping quite tight enough and causing quite a large radius bend. So these springs here, the two of them which support this, I would say have sagged and need some work. And the other function that's not working on it, and you can hear it leaking a little bit here, this valve over here, which allows the bottom beam here to come back down after a bend, it isn't working correctly. It's intermittently not working, and so what it means is it's only doing a 90-degree bend at the moment, and it needs that looking at. So then you can set it up around here and adjust it to enable you to do the different angles. So basically what this pneumatic valve does, it says stop bending up and let me down. So it's only working on the 90-degree function at the moment. Alright, so I'll show you the first function, which you can actually just clamp it. So you'll see this bottom came up and down. And then if I move this lever over here, then basically what it will mean is it'll come up and clamp, hit another valve, tell the pneumatics to start bending this, and then that valve on the end will let it down. And that's its function. Like I say, you can adjust how fast or slow this does come up and down, and then I just manually operated that to let it down. So I'll show you that again. Comes down, clamp, comes up, and then down. That's its cycle, and then opens back up. There's only about 1400 mil of those box pan fingers there, but that may be enough. So yes, once upon a time it was designed and would have bent to 2 mil, but I think for the time being it does need a little bit of work, maybe some new springs putting on it. That wee fault with the pneumatics needs sorting out, and that wee switch mounting, but there's no reason why someone can't get that back to fully functioning as it was once intended.